Yo guys, this is a staircase automation lighting system. That was me moving through the step and said, no. I can't take you through this without taking you through the process of how I did it. So this was how I made the staircase. This was how it looked. I said, no, the exterior of this building can't be this beautiful without the interior looking good and attractive. So I said, let me bring my baby. This my baby. I was looking for a name to call this my baby. I think Anastasia. No, let me give you my village name. I call it Ai. Ai Kwam, my friend. So I think Ai will be a perfect name for it. So I'll just coupling it in case of any because I don't trust these tilers. So after the tiler had already done their job, though I was asked to come and install it while the tilers were working, I said, no. This is a marble. Let those guys do their job and I know what to do. So after they finished installing the tiling, I brought my profile because this one is a masterpiece. But the installation process, the way I install this light is quite different from the normal way people install a staircase automation lighting system. You know, the tradition is the profile is being shown. You see the profile when coming, but this one you won't notice. What you see, you think it is a normatized profile. The one is called Genesis, the one Tyler's use. You won't even know if there's a light on it. You can't see it. It's just the face, the surface of the profile you've been seeing. And if you don't look very well, you would think it's still the tiles or the marble. Because this staircase, it was marble that was installed on it. So I just installed it with the help of the gum I used. I know most of you will be wondering what kind of gum is that. It is called silicone. Just as if I knew. So this is the situation you find yourself when you and the Tyler are not in good terms. Don't mind me, the Tyler was a cool guy. We were busy laughing all throughout while he was working because I often visit the site to see how he is installing it. So after installing the profile, that was it. After installing the profile, I had to run the wiring. I was testing the device to get my readings right, accurate reading before doing it. Now, wash. Look how beautiful. This is heaven on earth in Owerri. If you are in Owerri, I believe you know this place. So, all of them don't on. Have you heard that? All of them don't on. Nothing gives an electrician joy like that sound. All of them don't on. Peace of mind. So I had to send one of my boys to go test it. So he was walking through it. We go first test now before client test. That's just it. That's the nature. You have to test first before client test it. So that was just it. And this one came from nowhere, asking me if I had pen with me. I told him yes, that he should check at his left leg. Don't mind me. So this is it. See how beautiful this. Imagine seeing this at night. Kwambusco knows what he's doing. Kwambusco knows exactly what he does. So if you watch this video to this extent, all I need from you just like. If you've not followed this page, just follow, like, share this video, and comment your thoughts. Comment anything you've observed on this installation. And if you want to learn anything from me, just ask your questions in the comment section. See how beautiful this looks. Actually, there were some people working in the site. They never knew what I was doing there. They were often seeing me on the staircase. Say, hey, every time you did staircase, every time you were on staircase, what are you doing? What are you doing? They were like, so this was exactly what you were doing. Man, you are good. So yeah, you can say that again. So I had to come and test it myself. This is it. So I use and small now before the owner will come test. So Kate Beach House here in Owerri, Diviento. Please, my Italian friends, I don't know if they're Spanish or Italian. Just translate what I just said on the comment section for me. Diviento. Oh, there's it. So thank you for being with us. Juan Bosco Electrical Solution.